So we're going to do a quick walkthrough here of the Freeman kitchen and dining room cabinets. Let's get everybody oriented here to the 3D model and the drawings. So we have we're basically standing right about here right now, looking into the kitchen. So we've got the kitchen island with the stove in it. With this is elevation 1 with the refrigerator, elevation 2 with the sink and 2 windows, and elevation 3 with this little coffee bar area and a step in it going back to the alcove cabinet. So this whole wall is elevation 3 there. So what that looks like here is we have elevation 1 with the refrigerator. It's an existing window. These are existing pantry cabinets that we're keeping. We're going to put new doors and pull out wood shelves in those. And starting here, we have new cabinets. So some base drawers, some doors, a pantry style cabinet, and uppers that right now we're showing glass. We may move these side ones to solid instead of glass, and we would keep the glass on this back wall. So that's still up in the air. And we've got 1.5 inches between the top of the cabinets and the ceiling for some molding there. So we need to figure out how to support that molding. So elevation 2 is here with 2 existing windows. These are all new cabinets with a stainless sink there. There's going to be some sconces over the windows, a dishwasher on that elevation 2. And then turning the corner, elevation 3, we've got the door into the laundry room, some corner cabinets. This is a little coffee bar station with some floating shelves and kind of a pantry with pull-out wood shelves also. And then a step in the elevation here. Elevation looks like that. There's a step with a door into the bathroom, into there, and then we've got the alcove cabinets in here. Pretty much the same style, except these have flat-faced drawers, whereas the rest of the cabinets have shaker style faces, 2-inch styles all the way around. Okay, so hopefully that gets us oriented to that. And let's look at the island here. So elevation 4 is going to be the face of the island here with the stove in it. Elevation 5 is going to be the side of the island here with there's some bookshelves here. Elevation 6 is going to be the seating side of the island, and we've got some flush push to open doors in here. And then we do have a stem wall for power and gas here, and there's going to be electrical outlet on the far side here for code. And the knee space turns the corner right here, so we'll take a look at that. Elevation 6. So we've got the hood and the stove. So let's look at, this is elevation 4. So we've got a pull-out trash drawer that pulls out here that looks like a cabinet, but this is a full height pull-out drawer. You can see the end panels here. So we do have end panels on the island. And this end panel should turn the corner, so we have a nice clean corner here. With probably another end panel there, depending on what the side of that cabinet looks like. And this is those push to open, 2 push to open cabinet drawers. We'll get to that other side real quick here. So pull out garbage can station, opening for 48-inch range, some drawers at this end. And again, closure panels on both sides of these cabinets. So we have the closure panel that goes to the floor there. And then on this side over here, we've got the bookshelf. Kind of some deep shelves there. That closure panel on the end. There would be a closure panel here also. And then this we want to look as monolithic as possible with flat-faced doors, I think with some push-to-open hardware there still. So the tops of these cabinets, we've got 1.5 inches between the ceiling and the tops of the cabinets, and we have a 1-inch piece of molding. That molding's still kind of to be determined, but 1.25 inches between the ceiling and there. So we have one new drawing here that I've added to the elevation sheet. And this is giving the dimensions of the kick, the drawers, the quartz countertop, and the upper cabinets, and the stiles, and the floating shelves, and the floating shelf spacing. You can see the flat face drawers in that alcove area, and shaker drawer faces, typical the other places. And the dimensions of those upper cabinets you can find here. So 1.6 plus 2.6, 4 feet from there to there. So I'll mention one thing too. So these upper pieces, we actually want them built as one cabinet, and would like not to see the line there. That's just a modeling artifact. So these should be one piece, or we need to figure out a way where we don't see a joint there. Let's do one more walk around here just to get oriented to this kitchen. So elevation 1, the island. Oh, I should mention too on this refrigerator. So these cabinets kind of form a natural, I mean, it's a full closure on this side. And on this side, there's no closure panel. It's open. So it's just the base cabinet, and the upper goes to right there. The upper cabinets up here turn the corner like that. So we'll want to field measure these window locations to confirm where those are. They're going to be pretty close to the plan, but we definitely want to field measure that. Field measure the dimension from the existing pantry to that back wall, and make sure these dimensions are working for what that is. So those are the field measurement confirmations we really want to do. And we probably, once this gets framed out, we'll want to field measure the store location and the dimension to this corner. We deleted the tongue and groove on the back wall here, so that's been deleted from the elevations, so ignore it in this rendering there. All right, so hopefully that gives a better visualization of what these cabinets are looking like and some of the detailing. And let me know if there's any more questions on that. Thanks.